How many of you know somebody with Alzheimer's? Rhetorical question. Probably all of us. And if not specifically Alzheimer's, probably at least somebody with dementia, which is sort of the umbrella that Alzheimer's falls under. And today I'm going to share some really exciting information and research that is coming out showing how we can actually reverse Alzheimer's. Amazing. This research started coming out in the 2000s and it's really promising. So I want to make sure to share it with you today and then also share with you the resources on how you can get started with implementing it. So I'm Ashley Oswald, registered dietitian and founder of Oswald Digestive Clinic, where we help people improve and eliminate bothersome gut issues like gas, bloat, diarrhea, and or constipation. Let's start out today by talking about what is Alzheimer's. So in the United States, out of the 328 million people, it's estimated that 45 million will develop Alzheimer's, and that's 13.7% of the population. That is pretty significant. And Alzheimer's is basically the brain cell connections and the cells themselves start to degenerate and die, which causes memory issues and confusion and can really take a big toll on the family with care and sort of losing the mental capacity of their loved one before the body loss happens. And Dr. Dale Bredesen has really been the leader in helping to show people that we actually know some of the root causes causing this and what we can do about it. He's put out some research studies, case reports. He wrote a book, The End of Alzheimer's. He is from Duke University. He's held faculty positions at UCSF, San Francisco, UCLA, and UC San Diego. So this guy is respected. So how does he actually do this? How does he reverse Alzheimer's? Well, it's really all functional medicine. It's looking at the root causes, getting those back into alignment, getting the body back into alignment. Gut health is one component there. And the body starts to heal and regenerate itself. And he even has cases of individuals who were able to go back to work. They had to quit working because of the Alzheimer's and were able to go back to work. So I remember learning about Dr. Bredesen in 2014, I believe it was, and I was at the hospital working my inpatient position, and I was talking with my dietitian friend, and we were looking at the study that he published that year. And ever since then, it's just been really cool to get to follow him, see the newer research that he's put out, such as his 2018 article showing the results of 100 clients that he walked through his protocol. But I do quotations because it's not like a one size fits all. And it's not medication based. It's really looking at the individual as a whole, functional medicine, right? So he does this by looking into different categories, like, does this person have a pathogen or some sort of a gut infection? What does their gut look like? Which we do at Oswald Digestive Clinic so much, intestinal permeability. Is there too much leakiness in the gut lining? Is there an issue with the microbiome, like being out of balance? Is there inflammation and more? And then insulin resistance, which a lot of people in the United States have insulin resistance, and Alzheimer's is actually being called now type 3 diabetes because of that connection there. And then the fourth category that you look into is, nutrients. So we talk a lot about micronutrient replacement on this channel because it's so key. Like if somebody has a vitamin or mineral deficiency, it can certainly show up as things like brain damage. And we've talked in other videos about vitamin B12. And, if someone's put on a proton pump inhibitor, the stomach acid medication that is really, really highly prescribed, they're at risk of having a vitamin B12 deficiency, and that in itself can cause brain damage and memory issues. So looking at that, looking at hormones, is there some sort of other hormone imbalance? Are they getting a lot of toxin exposure in the environment, which is, being more and more recognized? Was this person at war somewhere and got exposed to these really bad toxins, or are they simply living in a city or next to some sort of an industrial situation where they're getting other exposures, or even in the home? Do they have a lot of cleaning products? Are they getting off-gassing from, new furniture, new carpet, and is that making the Alzheimer's even worse? And functional medicine. This is all functional medicine, you all. And it's really exciting. So I would first of all recommend you go to that 2018 study if you want to learn more and just see some of the progress he's been able to make with these 100 clients that he walked through for that. And so if you or you know somebody struggling, please share this video with them. I'm gonna share a link below for a free 30-minute call with our clinic. And we're also partnering with a doctor in the area, a functional medicine doctor, who got his official training in this protocol. And so together we can really help and work with you to hopefully you can be one of those clients in the study that has made like such amazing, significant improvement in this disease that a lot of people are being told is just only going to get worse. But we now know for some people it doesn't. Please subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Hit the bell next to it to be notified of our new videos every Tuesday at 3 p.m. Central Time. Leave a comment if you have any extra questions. Please let me know below. Or if you have any ideas for future videos that you'd like me to cover, I definitely take those recommendations seriously because I want this channel to be all for you guys and catering to what's going to be of most benefit to you. So thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you have a great day, and I will see you next week.